Hi everyone, Cheryl here from Love and Light Yoga, and thank you for joining me in this beautiful place for this 20-minute yoga workout. You won't need anything for this, just yourself and your mat, and whenever you are ready, let's begin. Hi everyone, let's meet on our mats and inhale as we reach the hands up high. Exhale, the hands come down through center. Good, inhale as we reach both hands all the way up, and exhale, hands through heart center. One more time to inhale, reach up, and exhale, hands through heart center. Let's inhale to reach the hands up one more time, and this time take the hands behind your head, open the elbows out to the side, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, round the spine, close the elbows. Good, so every inhale we're going to open up the chest, and every exhale, elbows together, round out the spine. Just flowing through a few deep breaths here. Take one more big inhale to open up, squeeze the shoulder blades, and then take both arms out to the sides. Nice. From here, find a twist. Bring in the right hand to the left knee, gazing over the left shoulder. And then pick up that back hand and reach it over to the corner of your mat. Take a few little pulses here, just pulsing the arm away. Coming back through center and then switching straight to the other side. Picking up the back hand and reaching up and over to the top of your mat. Maybe finding a few little pulses to open up the side body. And then coming all the way back up, releasing back through center and taking a few big rolls through the shoulders here. Releasing any tension away from your upper back. And then go ahead and meet me in your tabletop. Transition onto the hands and the knees with wrists under shoulders, and we'll take a few cat-cows here. Exhale as we round the spine. Inhale to look forwards, drop the belly. Exhale to round. Inhale to look forwards. Just rolling through these cat-cows in time with your own breath. Eventually come back to center, bring the knees together and step them back a couple of inches. Engaging the core as you lift the feet, shift the weight forwards into your hands. And we'll take a few little mini push-ups here, just coming down a couple of inches, keeping those elbows hugging in towards your rib cage. If it feels good, maybe coming down a little bit lower, maybe starting to release the chest all the way down. Press it back up. Pressing your mat away, keeping the core engaged. Just taking a few more here. Keep breathing. Maybe this time we come down and we hold. 3, 2, 1. And then press it back up. Release the feet, come into your child's pose. Take a breath here. And then meet me by coming up into a high plank. So tuck the toes under, engage the core, and find a few little pumps here forwards and backwards. Just rocking the heels towards the back of your mat. And then come back to stillness, slowly lower halfway and inhale to find your upward facing dog. Keep the knees lifted, strong through the arms. As you exhale, send it back to a downward facing dog. Lift the hips high. Maybe take a few little pedals out through the feet here, just bending each knee at a time. Strong through the arms, pressing the hands deeply into your mat. And then come back into stillness. As you inhale, sway your body forwards. Exhale, lower halfway. Press it back up and downward facing dog. So we come forwards on the toes, lower it down, press it up, downward facing dog. Nice. Coming forward, slowly lowering elbows back, press it up, downward dog. Do a few more here, just in your own time. Keep the core engaged, stay strong through those arms. And then the next time you're in downward facing dog, meet me here. Inhale to pick the right leg up and exhale, step it forwards in between your hands and meet me in a high lunge. Reach the fingertips up high. Take a full breath here. And then go ahead and plant the back foot onto the floor, straighten the front knee. And then find a low lunge, bending both knees and cactusing the arms. Inhaling as we reach up, exhale to lunge. Inhaling up, exhale to lunge. Nice, keep breathing here. Maybe the next time we come down, we might stop and hold. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, take a few little pulses of that knee down towards the floor. And then come on back up. Exhale, plant the hands. Look forwards, low lunge, and then step the right foot back, downward facing dog. Pedal out those feet. And then back to stillness. Roll the weight forwards, take a chaturanga here. Upward dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. On your next inhale, we're going to lift the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale as we step forwards in between the hands and lift yourself up into a high lunge, strong through the front leg. Take a breath here and then plant that back foot onto the floor, straighten through both knees, and as you exhale, bend both knees, cactus the arms. Inhale to reach up, exhale to lunge. Inhale to reach up, exhale to lunge. Good. Inhale, reach up, and exhale to lunge. Find one more here. Maybe the next time we come down, we might stop and hold. We might take a few little pulses of the knee down towards the floor. And then inhale to reach up. Plant the hands back to your mat, look forwards. Step both feet back, downward facing dog. On your next inhale, roll forwards to high plank, chaturanga here, upward facing dog or cobra. And then exhale back to downward facing dog. Keep the hips high. On your next inhale, reach the right leg up to the sky, and on an exhale, squeeze the elbow towards the right knee. Inhale, kick the leg back. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, kick the leg back. Exhale, elbow to knee. Keep the core engaged here. Strong through the arms. On your next one, step that right foot to the outside of your right hand. Look forwards, drop the back knee and sit into your lizard posture here. Option to plant the left hand and reach that right hand all the way up to the sky. Maybe stay here, or maybe see if you can bend the back knee, reach for that back foot. And then returning back through center, tuck the back toes under, step back to downward facing dog, and inhale, left leg up. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale, up. Exhale, knee to elbow. Keep the core engaged, strong through the legs. On your next one, step that left foot to the outside of the left hand. Look forwards, dropping the back knee and sitting into your lizard here. Option to ground the right hand and maybe lift the left fingertips up to the sky. Maybe stay here or see if we can reach for that back foot. Open through the chest. And then returning back into center, tuck the back toes under and step back to your downward facing dog. Let's bend the knees, look forwards, make your way to the top of your mat. Inhale as the hands come up and exhale. Lower the hands, come down onto the toes and just round out the back. Tuck the chin in. Inhale, return to standing, reach the fingertips up high, and exhale, bend both knees into your chair, Utkatasana here. Core is engaged, the thighs are strong. Lower the hands down to heart center and see if we might come up onto those tippy toes. Lift the heels off your mat. Take a deep breath in and exhale to sit a little bit lower. Can we slowly lower all the way down to the floor, reach the fingertips forwards and meet me in your boat pose. Keep the spine long, the crown of the head reaching up. Let's start to take one leg down to the floor at a time, inhaling as we lower one leg, exhale as we pull the knee back through center. Just alternating legs here, finding a little tap and tap of the heel to the floor. Keep the core switched on, keep the crown of the head reaching up. Keep breathing. And then maybe we drop the hands onto the floor behind the hips and slowly lower both legs to the mat. Exhale as we pull the knees back through center. Inhale to lower, exhale to center. Keep breathing here. And then eventually crossing the legs, reach the hands up as we inhale, diving forward as you exhale. Just rounding out the lower back, stretching the inner thighs. Take a full breath here. And then come on up as we keep the fingertips reaching forwards and slowly lower your spine all the way down to your mat. Meet me lying down on your back. Bring the soles of the feet onto the floor, the knees pointing up, and take your hands alongside your body, palms of the hands pressing into your mat. As we inhale, lift the hips up, press into the feet. As we exhale, slowly lower back to the floor. Again, as we inhale, peel the spine up off your mat. As we exhale, lower back to the floor. Every inhale, we lift up, squeeze the glutes. Every exhale, slowly lower, just working through these bridges. We might start to get the arms involved. Maybe the next time we inhale, lift the arms up and overhead. As we exhale, lower the arms, lower the hips. Inhale to lift and reach. Exhale to slowly lower. Squeezing those glutes every time we lift the hips up and relaxing as we come down. Maybe this time we keep the sole of the left foot connected to the floor and inhale, lift the hips, lift the right knee. Exhale to center. Inhale, lift the left knee. Exhale, center. So just working through these little marching bridges here. Squeezing the glutes as we lift the hips and drawing that knee in towards the chest. Really feeling that burn through the backs of your thighs, through your glute muscles. And the next time we have the right leg lifted, stop here, point the right toes up to the sky. Find a few little lifts and lowers with the hips. Keep pressing into the sole of your left foot. Imagine that you're piercing the ceiling with your toes. And then lower the right leg, same thing other side. Bring the left knee in, extend that leg up to the sky, point the toes away. Find a few little lifts and lowers with your hips, lifting those toes right up to the sky. And then eventually come back through center, drop the sole of the left foot, and slowly lower your hips to the floor. Bring the knees into the chest and just give yourself a little hug side to side, just massaging out that lower back. And then eventually come through center and roll yourself up and into seated. Good. So from here we're going to move into a kneeling position on our mat. So come up high on the knees, bring the knees directly underneath of your hips, and send the left leg out into a 90-degree bend. Take your left hand onto the left knee and reach the right arm all the way up and over, inviting a big stretch through the right hand side of your body. And then release back through center. Keep the legs as they are and bring the hands behind your head. Start to lean to one side, bringing that left elbow towards the left knee. And then use your core to pull yourself back up through center, finding these little side crunches, using your obliques here to pull you back up. Inhaling as we lower to one side, exhaling through center. And if it feels good, maybe start to reach that left hand down towards your mat. Keep the core switched on tight here. Find a few more. And then come through center, take that right hand down to the floor and lift the left leg up, flex the toes. Maybe find a few little pulses with the legs here, up and down. Core is engaged, fingertips are reaching up to the sky. And then come back through center. Bring the knees back to the floor and extend the right knee out into this 90-degree bend. Inhale as we lift the left arm up and reach it all the way over, inviting a big side stretch here. Then we come back to center, hands behind your head. Inhale as we lower down to one side. Exhale, use your core to pull yourself back through center. Just moving through these little side crunches here, keeping that core switched on tight. Inhaling as we lower, exhale to center. And if it feels good, maybe start to reach those right fingertips down towards the mat. Everything switched on, everything engaged. Eventually coming back up into center and dropping that left hand down to the floor. Right fingertips reach up as we lift the leg. Maybe find a few little pulses with the leg up and down. Right toes are flexed. And then bring yourself back into center. Let's move ourselves into a child's pose by dropping the hips to the heels, walking the fingers forwards, forehead rests down. Just take a few big belly breaths here. And then eventually lifting yourself back up into seated on your mat. As we inhale, take one final reach of the hands up to the sky and exhale those hands down to your heart space, thanking yourself for your practice today. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more, please subscribe, and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.